Hello, my name's Peter Marino, and I'm the creator of the online program Connecting with Autism. For children on the autism spectrum or other sensory processing disorders, one of the best ways for them to learn is through play. Interacting with other people and their environment improves their motor skills, social skills, and language skills. The trick is, what is the best way to engage these young people? The interactive activities in Connecting with Autism are fun and easy to learn. They can be done just about anywhere, so they can be done when your student or you feel the need. Some of the benefits are increased eye contact, increased focus, and increased use of motor skills. And one of the best ways to learn language skills is through activity. Through my many years of teaching, I've developed a program called the Wordplay System. The activities utilizing the Wordplay System can help improve language skills, create a better connection of words to objects, and also is a way to make a stronger connection with numerical skills. With children on the autism spectrum, tactile input can sometimes be very upsetting. So these exercises were designed so that you can adapt them according to what's most comfortable to your student. If they don't like the sound or the feel of the shaker egg, you can use a ball, or you can use a set of keys, or a set of rolled up socks for that matter. Whatever works best. So a lot of these exercises are designed so they're very adaptable according to what you need for your child. A number of the exercises in the program utilize a drum, hand drums, and some of the sensory stimulus of the drumming may upset your child. Sometimes you can it'd be a matter of putting a towel over the drum. They'll soften it enough until they get used to the sound and the feel of the drum, and then eventually take it off. You can also use your lap, you can use the floor, a table, whatever works. Again, these exercises were designed to be adaptable to your child. It's also been well documented that children on the autism spectrum use their visual systems to really understand the world around them. The key is ever increasing engagement with your child. In Connecting with Autism, the approach and the way that each lesson can be done is varied. So check out Connecting with Autism, and you may find a new way to connect more deeply with your child. Thanks for watching. There are plenty more videos in the series, so please subscribe on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you'd like more information about some of the instruments I use or the books that I talk about and recommend, there are links below that can connect you so you can get more information about those things. Also, if you have any suggestions, input, questions, please feel free to contact me. I am Peter at onehourdrummer.com. Take care. See you real soon. Thanks.